Hi, I'm John Robinson, CEO of the Colorado region for UMB Banks in Colorado. I believe 2 companies have already announced $7 billion of investment into Colorado, and that's just in 2015. So that'll drive energy. It'll also drive construction tied to that. Our manufacturers are seeing an uptick in revenue, which is good. I don't think there's any subsection in or segment in manufacturing that's really booming, but I'd say as a general rule, revenues are rising for manufacturers. So that is driving some growth as people replace equipment or add to their equipment. And then we're also looking to get a little bit more into the agribusiness in Colorado, which is a focus for us company-wide, but hasn't been as much in Colorado, and we'll be adding to staff to cover that as well. I don't know what's causing us to not have a big bounce, a big recovery. I can't put my fingers on that. I think you could argue either tax policy, regulation, maybe companies have been strapped, companies and individuals may have had too much debt, and we've gone through a deleveraging, and do we want to go back to a leveraged environment? I think far more people are cautious than leveraging themselves up, and that's not all a bad thing as well. So maybe slower growth might be the right formula for us. So. I'd just say a couple of things about the banking industry in general, and then as it relates to UMB. After we came out of the Great Recession, the regulatory environment has changed quite a bit, and unfortunately we've been staffing up there. We've added bodies, and quite honestly, I would love for those FTE positions to be more customer focused, customer facing, if you will, but unfortunately that's not the way that it's shaking out. So that has put a little pressure on us. But having said that, UMB was positioned nicely. So when we went into the Great Recession, we had a strong balance sheet. We had a good quality loan portfolio, so we weathered the storm very well. And we were actually able to loan to our customers and new customers during that period of time. So we've been growing nicely since 2008, 2009 timeframe, and we've been able to continue that growth into this year. So knock on wood, hopefully that continues.